Effects of tornadoes. Scientists rank a tornado's strength on a scale, and the higher the number, the more damage a tornado can cause. Weak tornadoes break and damage houses. They are strong enough to push cars off the road. One afternoon on March 18th, 1925, a record-breaking tornado devastated parts of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It's called the Great Tri-State Tornado.
Hey Peyton, what does tri mean?
Tri means three, so it went to the three states, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. An estimated 695 people died. It is believed 606 died in Illinois alone. The tornado was on the ground for 3 hours and 29 minutes, and it traveled 217 miles. If the EF scale had been in effect at this time, it would have been EF5, the highest damage and speed.
What does EF5 mean, Peyton?
Well, there's different EFs. There's EF1, EF2, EF3, and EF4, and EF0. EF0 is 65 to 85 miles, and that gives slight damage. EF1 is 86 to 110, which is moderate damage. 111 to 135 miles is substantial damage. 136 to 165 equals severe damage. EF4 is 166 to 200, which is massive damage, and 201 to 230 is catastrophic damage.
Where does the wind come from in a tornado? Nearby, with more molecules, moves into lower pressure areas. So in a sense, when it created by our sun, because it heats some areas of the Earth's surface more than others, thereby creating lower pressure systems. The insane spinning of a tornado is partly the results of the updraft and downdraft in the thunderstorm interacting with the wind shear results in a titling of the wind shear to form an upright vortex. The tornado forms in usually violent thunderstorms when there is suffocating stability and wind shear pressure in the lower atmosphere. Instability refers to unusually warm and humid conditions in this lower atmosphere and possibly cooler than in usually conditions in the upper atmosphere. Wind shear in this case refers to the wind direction changing and the wind speed increasing with height. Fun fact: damage from the tornado that tore through Tennessee in 2002.
What, where, and how tornadoes form. What is a tornado? Tornadoes are very strong windstorms. These swirling funnel clouds race across the land. Where tornadoes form. Tornadoes happen worldwide. The center United States has hundreds of tornadoes a year. People call it Tornado Alley. How tornadoes form. Most tornadoes happen in spring and summer. They form from big thunderstorms. During some storms, warm and cold air masses meet. Wind spins there into a funnel cloud.
Can a tornado cause floods? Yes, it can. My evidence is that on May 31st, 2013, at 6:03 p.m. local time, a tornado developed just west of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. During the 39 minutes before it dissipated, the tornado crossed two major highways and killed 8 people. But that's just part of the story. The storm that spawned the lethal tornado also caused flash flooding that killed an additional 13 people.
The EF scale is the standard way to measure tornadoes. Based on the wind damage, the original Fidget scale was developed by Dr. Theodore Fidget. All tornadoes and other severe local windstorms were assigned a number according to the most intense damage caused by the storm.
Jasmine, do you know what to do if you see a tornado, if you're outdoors or in a car?
You go like in a basement, and
Not really. If you're outside, you should seek shelter. If you can't, lie flat face down. Protecting the back of your head with your arms. If you're in a car, evacuate your vehicle. Seek shelter. If not, do not hide under your car. The wind might push it over.